right, and we finally got fault with those and got that out. Just gonna pull them out like that. Drop the new ones in, like so. Put you a diddy dab it. Drop her in there. Hold her over against the wall. And on this, you really only want to get like, maybe like one, oh yeah, you know, yeah, oh yeah, like that. That's all you need. You don't want to overdo it. Put the other one out. Put a little bit of liquid goddess on it. This thing can stick together anything with my first marriage. Drop the other one in. Alright. Tighten her in. Give her the old, oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, at this point, you're pretty much done. All you need to do is clean everything up. And I suggest doing the same thing with the SOS pad, sanding your surfaces. Clean everything up, you're good to go.